So what is up, everyone? The last time you guys saw me, or the first time actually that I posted a video, I was installing some HID lights on the Ram. So I've got some fog lights also that I'm going to replace those ugly halogen fog lights with. And yeah, so got the package here. Can't remember exactly which ones they are, but let's go ahead and open this box and figure that out here. So show you guys. So I went with some LEDs on this one. I didn't want to go with the HID kit just because of the warm-up time, but I know that doesn't matter. That's mainly for like the low beams, the high beams actually, not the low beams. What am I talking about? But yeah, so anyway, these are the lights that I went with. They are the NAO's Shine LED lights. 9005 HB3. I'm hoping they'll fit. The bulb size on the actual fog light bulb is a 9140, I believe. So from what I saw, it said the 9005 should fit fine. Probably gonna need a little bit of trimming, but I guess we'll see. So let's go ahead and open these up here. So some instructions. And basically all you get is 2 LEDs. Not bad. It's got a fan, a heat shield, and that's it. From what I've read, you shouldn't need the CAN bus module on these. Hopefully that's the case, but yeah, we'll find out. Let me go ahead and get the other ones removed, and they should be pretty simple. I think you just get under the truck and twist it and it should come right out. So hopefully the this little base is the same, so we'll go ahead and find that out right now. All right, so I went ahead and removed the stock fog light, and it looks like it's actually a 9145. Not sure if you guys can see that or not, but anyway, it's a 9145. So far, it doesn't look like I'm going to need any trimming. As you guys can see here, here's the front of that. Front of that, they look pretty identical. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and get this one installed and see how it does. Okay, so the bulb seems to have gone in there just fine. I didn't have any issues getting it in there. So as you can see, there it is, sitting in there in a horizontal direction. The LEDs horizontal. So let's go ahead and fire them up and see what they look like. So there you guys go. There's the LED. The ugly halogen. Way brighter than the halogen bulb. much messages yet, so hopefully it'll stay like that. So one of the things I did notice is that the bulb is actually a little bit looser than the stock one in its housing. So I think what I'm going to do, and from what I've read also, is people remove this seal O-ring and install the one that's on the stock bulb. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and see how that works. All right, so it looks like putting that stock seal on there actually seemed to work a little bit better. And it is holding the stock or the LED bulb in there quite a little bit better. So they both seem to be working just fine. As you can see, there's the light. They're straight on. And unfortunately, it's still light out, so I won't be able to give you guys an update until it gets dark. So thankfully now I'll be running the HID lights and the LED lights for the fogs, and not that ugly yellow halogen that I hate. So I'll go ahead and update you guys here in a bit as soon as the sun goes down, and you guys will be able to see. All right, so I got the HIDs running now that the sun went down. So here's the light output of those. They've already been warmed up probably for about 15 minutes or so. So we still don't have any errors on the dash, so that's a plus. Hoping it stays that way, but so far it's not too bad. There's not as bright as my 55-watt HIDs that I used to have before on my Chevy, but so far they're still pretty good. And then once you turn on the LED fog lights that I installed, there's the difference there, so that really helps out a lot. Go ahead and turn that off. Show you the difference again. You can see how much more there actually is. Right, so before I end this video, here they are again, just the HIDs, fog lights. There it is with the fog lights. They match pretty closely. Maybe a slight difference, but not too bad. Alright, so there you guys have it.